Hey, hi there. So in this video, we are going to make this rainbow effect around the spotlight. So as you can see, there is a slight colorful rainbow attached to the light and its edges. And I'll show you the process of creating this kind of texture image that we have, for example, this one. But if you don't want to create this on your own, then I have attached all these three files down in the description below. You can follow that link to get these images for yourself for free. And let's get started with the tutorial now. So let's go first to Photoshop or any software that you may have. And in this, I'll start with a black color first. You can add a new layer, then go to the circle selection, ellipse circle, and then press Shift and Alt to start creating a circle. It doesn't need to be perfect, but if you press Alt and Shift, then the circle is a perfect circle. And then what I'll do is I'll add layer colors to it. So let's start with red. G and add a red color, then add another layer, and then add a yellow color. So that's the yellow color. And then one more color that we need is green. Let's take slightly bluish green. And then for the last fourth color, we need a blue color. So let's go to blue. This is good. And then add that one as well. And now what I'm going to do is I'll select all these layers, press Ctrl T and bring it right in the center. Let's reduce the scale a bit by pressing Alt. Okay, this is good. And then we need one more color. So I'll make this right. So we first is red, yellow, green, and then blue. And duplicate this red color. So duplicate it and add white to it. So white. And now layer by layer, I'll reduce the size of this. So Shift Control T and then press Alt and reduce the size. So this is enough for the blue. Similarly, do the same thing for yellow. Reduce the size. That's enough for the green. And then red. Control T, Alt. Keep press down the Alt key, and then reduce it to something like this. Once that is done, add the white. Control T. Press down Alt and go. I think this is fine. So now what I'll do is I'll merge all these four layers, merge layers, select the white, select pixels, and delete it from here. So now we have a perfect ring of these four colors. You can use rainbow colors as well, but this is like this combination I find it better. Warm towards the inside and then bluish towards the outside. And for the inside, what we can do is we can keep this white on, place it below this ring and hide it for now. Select the ring, go to filter, and then uh, let's blur it using Gaussian blur. 10 is more than enough. So we have got the ring now. I'll turn on the white. You can see it's creating a dark tone here, like there is nothing here. So let's press Ctrl T, then keep press down on Alt, and I'll expand it till the middle of the green where the border is not visible. So now we have the inside as well. One more thing that I'll do is I have downloaded a texture which is like this. It's a simple image. I've got this from Pinterest. And what you can do is you can left click on the white, right click on the white, select its pixels, go to this yellow, and let's duplicate this inside layer via copy. So now we have this effect. Now what I'm going to do is I'll double click on the white. I'll set this to 50 and set the opacity of this yellow to 25 maybe. or maybe some more, something like 35 is fine. So this is the texture that we have, and I'll add some blurriness to this as well. So let's go blur, motion blur, and think 10 is fine. So let's set it to 10. And now I'll try one more thing. So I have downloaded this free texture. This can be placed just above the black color that we have. So this is what we have here, and what I can do is we can select all this and resize it to still we get this type of effect. Fine, that is fine. Let's try a radial blur on this outside ring. So yeah, this looks good. This is really good. And I'll add a Gaussian blur to the. So this is the effect that we are getting. If you want, you can reduce the warmth of this. So I'll keep it this much, and then export this image as a PNG. This is the third one that I've created for this. So let's call it 3 and go to Unreal. And here, all you have to do is right click, create a new material, and call this torch material 2. Open this up, and then you have to select this and go here to, instead of surface, light function. So only the emissive color input is visible. So press Ctrl and plus to bring open the content browser. Import your texture from here. Once imported, you can just drag and drop it in this material editor view, and then just plug this to emissive. So you will get this color. Save it, and then save it. And then one more thing that you have to do once before you put the texture in the light is go to edit project preferences, and then go down to rendering here, and then again scroll down till you reach, where is it? Yep, this light function atlas format. So usually this is set to 8 bits grayscale. Set it to 8-bit RGB color, and turn this fourth option on. It will ask you to restart, so restart your PC. And once you restart, you can proceed with the applying texture, and then select your torch or whatever light that you have. Make these settings as per your need, and then go to the this will be set to none. So all you have to do is take this material and put it into this slot. Immediately you will end up with this texture. So I'll remove this plane, and you can see the difference it makes. So observe this sides of it and see the change. So this is with, and this is without, with and without, without. So I'll keep it with, and then you can change the brightness from here as much as you want. So if it is difficult for you to create your own material, I have linked these 3 files down in the description. You can use them for your purpose and for your creation. So all the best, and let me know if you have any doubts, any suggestions, or anything that you want me to make. This is just to let you know, I'm working on a bigger project, which the video is for VR, which can be experienced in MetaQuest 3, Apple Vision Pro, or any VR that you may have. And I have uploaded this, not this is yet to be uploaded, or maybe it's out when you are watching. So this is uploaded on my different YouTube channel, which is specifically for VR videos. So make sure to check that out as well. I have linked the channel in the description, and have fun with creating 3D.